Open the hood. The air filter is located here. Pull upwards to unclip the cord. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose. Reinstall the hose. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.